Welcome to Laurelhurst Chiropractic. For over 30 years, we have been working to empower each individual, highly motivated patient to achieve their optimal health potential. If you find yourself in need of our services, we'd love to invite you to our office located at 2705 East Burnside Street inside the Burnside Trolley Building. When entering our office, you'll be greeted and checked in by one of our receptionists at the front counter before being invited to relax in our lobby with water or a cup of coffee. Soon, you'll be guided back to one of our private treatment rooms by one of our dedicated chiropractic or massage therapy providers. You can be sure they'll give you the quality of care that we would expect for a member of our own family through evidence-based comprehensive chiropractic, massage, rehabilitation, and patient home care. We know that when you come to visit us, you'll be welcomed into an environment you feel confident, safe, and cared for in by an expert team of professionals. We strive to deliver the best healthcare possible.